Welcome back to the channel. I want to show you guys how to use a transform that normally is done in the video inspector. So under here we have our transform, smart reframe, cropping, all that. But if we actually go over to our effects, under open effects, under resolve effects transform, we have another transform that you can drag and drop onto your clip. Now this one offers all the same parameters as your video inspector, but you also have sliders, interactive canvas, and pins. So these are great for taking an image and sticking it to an irregular shaped object. Or in this case, we're going to use the interactive canvas. We're going to open image adjustment and animation, tick the keyframe box, and I'm going to grab the corner pins and start sliding them into a kind of a 3D space position here. So we could flatten this out. You might have seen some people do these kind of edits before. I'm going to go forward into the clip a little bit and we'll realign these. That's why I got the overlay up so I can see when everything's kind of hitting back where it originally belongs. So let's pull this bottom corner in, just align it to the grid here. And now I'm going to add the motion blur. If we go back to the start of our clip, we now have this kind of zooming 3D effect. And then you can also auto hide your pins. If you're adjusting it, the grid will go away, or you can just hit hide and then we can get rid of our overlay here as well. If you want to see what it looks like, and I'll go full screen. So a few different options that you can use using the effects transform versus the inspector video transform. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one.